Alright, so hello everyone. It's been a while. Hello again, I am Remy Almonte, your digital seller and your digital marketer. So this time we will be talking about how to market digital products. So I assume that this time you already have an idea about digital products and how it works, how to sell your digital products or the template that you have created in your Canva account. So this time I will teach you how to market what you have done or what you already designed or something that you want to sell online. Katulad ng iba't ibang businesses out there, may it be digital products or a physical stores that you have, we need to market it. Ibig sabihin, we show the people or our prospect customer what do we sell, what do we offer, and what are the services that we can provide for them. And it starts with brand awareness. Since we are talking about digital products here, we are going to be using all the social media platforms that we have online since it is a digital products, obviously. So itong mga social media accounts that we have will be our best friend. It will be our platform in order for us na makilala or magkaroon tayo ng brand awareness. Ano nga ba yung kaya nating i-offer sa ating mga customer? This will serve as a bridge or tulay na kung saan gagamitin natin para madala natin yung mga customer sa ating mga ino-offer. Let's say for example, in our case, we post our products on Rocket.ph or pwede din namang Etsy or pwede din namang Shopify or kung anumang platform na kung saan dun tayo nag-list ng mga products na i-offer natin. In that way, napapakilala natin kung ano yung brand natin, ano yung provide natin, at kung ano yung mga services na kaya natin i-offer sa mga tao para matulungan sila. And sabi ko nga sa inyo, ang unang kailangan natin gawin ay ang unang to-do list ko, magawa kayo ng Rocket.ph account and magawa ng mga social media accounts na hiwalay sa inyong personal account. Bakit? Kasi iba yung algorithm ng personal account nyo sa inyong mga social media accounts when it comes sa business, okay? And gaya ng mga sinabi ko sa previous videos ko, ito yung mga importanteng bagay na kailangan hindi natin makalimutan when it comes in doing this marketing strategies sa ating mga digital products. And let me just recall, una, share the value of your products. Paniwala kayo na may value yung products na i-offer nyo and kailangan nyo lang mahanap yung tamang market, yung tamang niche, yung tamang audience para sa business nyo. And since you have that value, you are going to solve their problems. You are offering them solution kung ano nga ba yung mga problemang kinakaharap nila. And nabanggit ko sa inyo yung example nan on our previous videos. Since we are on digital products, we are generating, selling, and delivering our packages or our services or our products online also. So, it's really important to post regularly. Make ourselves visible sa mga tao online, which can be our potential buyers, clients, and customers. Alam niyo yung idea ng digital products na to napakaganda. Bakit? Hindi tayo nauubusan ng stock. Kapag nagawa tayo ng isang digital products, we sell them multiple times. And even in my case, I sell one template to 1,000 different people in the world. Napakalawak ng potential at market na pwede nating i-reach when it comes to online and digital marketing. Last but definitely not the least is the specific I think advice that I can give to you is share valuable contents. When I say share valuable contents, I talk about a quality content that you produce online. Dahil iba na po yung attention span ng mga tao ngayon online, you create a very interesting, interactive, or maybe a different kind of content that you can provide online. So those are the practical and I think the best solution and strategies that I can give to you as a beginner in this digital products marketing. So now this time I will be going over into more specific areas of digital marketing. I have shown you a while ago some of the social media platforms and social media applications that are very beginner friendly and more familiar to everyone, and these are Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. So we will be starting in this kind of platforms as a beginner in this digital marketing. Ano nga ba yung mga practical na bagay na ginawa ko para ma-promote ang digital products ko using Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok? So, let's go. First, I have Facebook. Let's talk about Facebook. Facebook is really a beginner-friendly platform and alam natin ang Facebook. I believe lahat naman tayo may Facebook, And when it comes to digital products, when we market our digital products here on Facebook, here are things that we need to take note and apply in our business. When we are marketing our products here on Facebook, all we need to do is first create our business page. Gaya ng sabi ko kanina, iba ang inyong personal account sa inyong business account. It has something to do with the algorithm and the engagement and all the any related topics that you are going to engage with when it comes to Facebook. So you must and have to create your business page right now. You can use AI or any artificial intelligence app just like ChatGPT to help you build and create your own page idea. The name itself, the branding, and the descriptions that you are going to put in your Facebook page. Alright, so right after that, you are going to, of course, post valuable content, engage, be visible to your audience, and it takes some time, okay? Wala pong instant. And in my case, my personal advice and experience was grow your Facebook page account organically for the first month or after second month of your creation. When I say organically, you engage manually. You don't use FB ads or anything that you can do just like meta ads, in this Facebook page. And it's really important to target market engagement. Target your audience, target those niche that you are offering your services to. Let's say, for example, your target market is student teachers, just like mine. So you follow, you engage with them, you make yourself known. And how is that going to happen? You join groups related to your niche or your preferred niche. It's really important that you join and engage with them. Kung ano man yung niche na napili nyo, ay sumali kayo sa mga Facebook page. It helps a lot para mas makilala yung Facebook page or business na meron kayo. You know what? Facebook is really a diverse and a big platform for every digital products sellers and users, kaya maximize the use of it. Next we have here, and let's talk about TikTok. TikTok is also a very beginner friendly app that we can use as a digital seller. Bakit? Dito po ako nagsimula. This app is where my digital products journey begins. As we know, TikTok is more on short videos, right? And like what I have said kanina, iba na yung attention span ng mga tao. Kaya napakahalaga ng hook. Yung 1 to 3 seconds ng i-offer or ipopost nyo ay very catchy na. Kailangan interesting yung mga content na ibibigay natin in this platform. Ang kagandahan kay TikTok, kapag meron kang isang video na let's say for example nag-viral or nag-boom, you can use it para maging step para mas mag-grow yung business mo and ituloy-tuloy mo na. What are the contents that we can post here is tutorials on how to use your digital products. Pwede kayong magawa ng videos, pwedeng faceless, pwedeng kayo mismo yung nagsasalita. It's up to you. Pwede din naman mga before and after na kung saan yung digital products na ino-offer nyo, ano yung maibibigay nito, ano yung value na matutulong nito sa inyong client or customer. Ito, isa sa mga epektibong technique is to tell your story. Storytelling about how your products are going to solve problems of your customers or clients. These are more of personal experience, your clients' testimonials, and feedbacks. And of course, when we are using TikTok, don't forget to use trending sounds. It helps a lot, and also hashtags relating, of course, to your products and offers. So yeah, that's basically the TikTok app. Now let's proceed to Instagram. Let's talk about Instagram. So as it states here, Instagram is a visual platform. So it must be eye-catching to your audience. It's a great opportunity for you to showcase your digital products. So dapat very creative, very eye-pleasing, and just like what I have said, eye-catchy. Contents that will attract your potential clients and customers. You can use Reels and basically post carousel, short videos showing how to use your products. And also, you can also use stories, wherein you use interactive features like pause, QA, and links to your store. It really is a big platform and a great tool for your digital product and marketing strategies. Once ma-build mo na yung brand mo, nakakuha ka na ng mga prospect followers na kung saan client mo na magre-recommend sa iba, it's really a great platform for you. Ang kagandahan dito, maraming mga Instagram user nowadays, and dito din sila naghahanap ng mga digital products. So yeah, that's for Instagram. So those are basically the basic platforms or social media platforms that we can use to start our digital products business in online world. And since you are still here watching this video, you are near to your success. And I want you to know that every big success starts with a small step. And I want you to keep going. Even if you have a small progress, it's still a progress. And I'm so proud of you. If you are doubting right now and you're overthinking, or maybe you were asking yourself, what if I won't get any sales in this digital products and marketing? Hey, I want you to remember that you can start where you are, use what you have, and do what you can. Let's do this together and let's earn online. Now I will be ending this video with how you can take a small step in these digital products. If you really want to get serious, gusto mo na talagang seryosoin tong digital products and marketing businesses, and you are maybe asking yourself, how can I start? Paano ako magsisimula? Ano yung mga produktong mabenta this time? I am offering you this opportunity. I have now a limited promo, and this promo is a lifetime access and one-time payment only. This package includes 3 million ebook learnings, digital course, 3D course, make money online ebooks, messenger marketing, nurturing, student files, virtual assistant files, ChatGPT course, life learning files, Reels ideas. Everything that you will be needed is provided here. It was before a 3,999 package bundle all-in-one starter pack for digital products and marketing strategies and sellers, and right now it is 87% off, which means it's only 349 pesos. Yes, you heard it right. It's only 349 pesos, a one-time payment for lifetime access, and you can resell it. I will be providing you a reseller link para sa mga customer mo. Everything is provided. Ibebenta mo na lang, ipopost mo na lang, ipopromote mo na lang. Let's put it into the scenario. Let's say, for example, you resell these products or bundle also for 499 pesos. Kapag may umorder sa yung isa, bawi ka na agad sa puhunan mo, and you can still sell it for multiple people and 1,000 people out there. You see? Sobrang sulit, diba? And it's a limited time only. And if nagwo-worry ka, nagda-doubt ka, don't worry. I assure you, it has 100% profit sales. It has lifetime access with resale rights. Feel free to resell and one-time purchase. Ayun yung kagandahan sa digital marketing, diba? Sa digital products, you buy it one time and you sell it million times, and let's earn together. So if you're interested in this gold mine at 349 pesos all-in-one bundle for resellers and digital product seller, feel free to message me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. So that's it, everyone. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to earn with you this 2025. Bye!